Hello everyone. Today, we are discussing a fundamental shift in the landscape of digital advertising, the integration of Google Ads scripts and AI to build the future of PPC optimization. As we move further into the era of AI in marketing, the traditional methods of manual management are rapidly being replaced by always-on, automated performance systems. Let's get started.
Welcome. Over the next few minutes, we're going to talk about something that's quietly separating the top 1% of Google Ads practitioners from everyone else, and that's automation. Specifically, how Google Ads scripts combined with artificial intelligence are replacing slow, manual PPC management with always-on, self-optimizing performance systems. We'll cover the problem with manual management, how scripts work, the AI hybrid model, real use cases, impact data, and where this is all heading. Let's start with reality. In most Google Ads accounts today, optimization is still happening manually, bid adjustments based on weekly reports, budgets shifted after analyst meetings, and performance issues discovered 24 to 72 hours after they start. The core problem? By the time a human acts, the algorithm has already spent the budget in the wrong direction. Manual dependency means your optimization ceiling is limited by one thing: human bandwidth. So what's the solution? Google Ads scripts. These are JavaScript-based rules that live inside your Google Ads account and execute automatically on a schedule, without anyone pressing a button. They have full access to your campaign data, keyword performance, conversions, and bid landscape. They can pause ads, shift budgets, adjust bids, and fire Slack or email alerts, all within milliseconds of a threshold being crossed. The architecture is simple. Data flows in, rules evaluate, actions fire, and a log is created. Here are 6 production-ready automation use cases running in top agencies right now. Budget pacing scripts track spend velocity hourly and auto-adjust to prevent underspend or overspend. Low ROAS auto-pause: if a segment falls below your ROAS threshold and has spent past the floor, it gets paused automatically. Search term mining: high CTR new terms get flagged before your weekly review even happens. CPA spike alerts: real-time notification the moment cost per acquisition exceeds your target. Anomaly detection: a 30% CTR drop triggers an alert within hours, not days. And keyword cleanup: dead keywords get labeled and paused automatically, keeping quality scores clean.
The difference in day-to-day operations is dramatic. Before scripts, reactive optimization, manual daily reports eating 2 to 3 analyst hours, human error at scale, and a single analyst bottleneck managing hundreds of campaigns. After scripts, thresholds are monitored 24/7. Reports are automated, logic runs consistently with zero copy-paste errors, and one script set handles 1,000 campaigns at the same speed and accuracy as 10.
Now, here's where it gets powerful. Scripts alone follow rules. AI alone generates insights. But together, AI is the brain and scripts are the hands. The AI layer reads performance signals, identifies patterns, and decides what action to take. The script layer executes that decision instantly. The result? AI detects an anomaly, generates an optimization instruction, the script executes it, and the system logs and notifies, all without a human in the loop.
The full architecture has 4 layers. Layer 1 is raw Google Ads data. Layer 2 is the script engine rule, base triggers evaluating real-time conditions on scheduled intervals. Layer 3 is the AI intelligence layer, an LLM like OpenAI, Gemini, or Claude reading signals, predicting optimal actions and writing bidding logic. Layer 4 is the output automated actions, Slack and email alerts, Google Sheets logging, and dashboard reporting. Everything connected, everything traceable.
The numbers speak for themselves. Accounts migrating from manual to script, automated systems have seen a 31% reduction in CPA from $74 down to $51. ROAS improved by 46%, from 280% to 410%. Wasted spend dropped 69%, and analyst time was reduced by 72% from 18 hours per week to just 5. Speed is the new optimization lever. At $10,000 a day in spend, a system that reacts in minutes versus days is not a marginal advantage, it's a structural one. Traditional agencies scale by hiring. The script model scales by deploying logic. 10 campaigns needs 1 analyst. 500 campaigns? Same script set. You don't need to grow your team linearly to grow your account volume, and that changes the entire economics of running a PPC operation. We're moving through three eras: the manual era, humans controlling everything, speed limited by bandwidth; the scripts era, rule-based automation handling the routine. And now the AI plus scripts era, where AI observes, decides, and writes the rules dynamically, and scripts execute them in real time. The PPC practitioner of 2027 isn't optimizing campaigns. They're managing the system that does. With that power comes real risk. A script with wrong logic will execute on every matching campaign, including your best performers. Always test in read-only mode first. Over-automation can create blind spots. You still need human checkpoints. And your scripts are only as good as your data. Broken conversion tracking means your automation is optimizing toward a false signal. The rule is simple. Every script needs a max action limit, a test mode, and a weekly human review. A few uncomfortable truths the top 1% won't say publicly. Manual optimization at scale isn't PPC, it's performance theater. Scripts are the hidden moat, separating the best agencies from the rest. And AI without a script execution layer? That's just expensive analysis sitting in a Slack message. The highest leverage hire in 2025 isn't a media buyer, it's a JavaScript fluent automation engineer. Here's how to start without risk. Phase 1, weeks 1 and 2. Deploy alert. Only scripts, CPA spikes, budget overspend, CTR anomalies, zero automated actions, pure visibility. Phase 2, weeks 3 to 6. Enable rule-based automation with guardrails and add sheets logging. Phase 3, months 2 and 3. Connect your AI layer, let it generate suggestions, and let scripts execute the approved actions with a full rollback system. Start with Phase 1 this week. Alert scripts have zero risk and deliver immediate value. 3 things to take away from today. Speed is the new optimization lever. Manual runs on a 2-4 hour cycle, scripts on 60 minutes, AI in real time. Whoever reacts fastest wins the auction. Automation beats manual at scale. Scripts don't get tired, don't miss thresholds, and don't make errors. And scripts are the AI execution layer. They close the gap between an AI-generated insight and a real-world campaign action. The competitive moat in PPC is no longer who has the best keywords. It's who has the best automation infrastructure. Thank you.
If your advertising isn't delivering the results you expect, the problem may not be the budget, it may be the strategy. At Namster Marketing, we help businesses turn advertising into a predictable growth engine. Book a free consultation with our team, and let's explore how we can help scale your results.